In this video, I will show you how to turn off Zillow notifications. Start by opening Zillow on your computer or on your mobile app. The steps are the same for both. First, click on your profile icon located at the upper right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Settings from the list. This will take you to your account settings page. Next, navigate to the Notifications section. Here you can manage your notification preferences. If you want to disable specific notifications, click on the Edit button next to the relevant section. For example, to turn off home loan and refinancing notifications, select the Edit option next to that category and choose Off from the drop-down menu. After making your selection, click Apply. If you want to disable all Zillow notifications, scroll up and select the option to turn off all notifications. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Turn off all notifications to finalize the process. Once completed, you will no longer receive notifications from Zillow.